If you're creating ads for social media or your e-commerce store, you have definitely got to check out this AI tool. This is adcreative.ai, and it creates AI generated ads for your e-commerce store, like these ones. So you just feed it some information, it will rewrite the headline, it will create images for you, and then if you want some more, you can just click the button and it will create some more for you. Then it gives you insights about what ads are working and what ads are not working. And also you can post it to anywhere. This is totally amazing. And even better than that, it's offering $500 of Google ads free when you sign up. Check out adcreative.ai, adcreative.ai.